XDR is a holistic detection and response solution that goes beyond the endpoint to remove silos of visibilities. It leverages on advanced analytics like artificial intelligence and big data analytics, as well as Trend Micro's extensive smart protection network to provide more detections and faster response. Unlike the endpoint detection and response, XDR doesn't focus on endpoint detection alone. Instead, it enables security analysts to detect, investigate, and respond to threats across multiple vectors, including that of email, server, cloud workloads, and network layers. A component of XDR capable of integrating with the endpoint security layer is Apex One Endpoint Security. This is the first video in this series on setting up Trend Micro XDR for endpoints and servers. For this guide, we'll be showing you how to connect Apex One as a service to Trend Micro XDR. Trend Micro Apex One is Trend Micro's solution for endpoints. It makes use of Trend Micro's cross-generational blend of modern techniques that goes beyond a traditional antivirus, allowing it to provide advanced automated threat detection and response against a growing variety of threats. Investigation and response for the endpoint is accomplished through the use of pre-execution and runtime machine learning, capable of accurately detecting advanced malware while minimizing false positives, making it a highly tuned endpoint protection and maximizes both performance and effectiveness. Apex One on its own is capable of providing actionable threat detection insights, expanded investigate capabilities, and centralized visibility through the use of an advanced endpoint detection and response toolset, a strong SIEM integration, and an open API set within a single agent. The native EDR toolkit is further utilized by Trend Micro XDR to provide an even better correlated detection for advanced threats when incorporated in the bigger picture. For us to connect Apex One with Trend Micro XDR, the licenses for both Apex One as a service and XDR add-on for Apex One as a service are needed. Connecting Apex One as a service and Trend Micro XDR is as easy as purchasing both products. Trend Micro XDR has an auto onboard function that automatically connects Apex One as a service and Cloud App Security to Trend Micro XDR if the appropriate XDR add-on licenses are purchased as well. For this guide, Apex One as a service was automatically connected to Trend Micro XDR, but we've unregistered it so that we can show you how to manually do it. In case the auto onboarding feature doesn't work, or if you are reconnecting the product like what we are doing now, let's verify first if we have both products available on the same account. Head on over to the Customer License portal and log in with your CLP account. Here you can see all of your purchased products and licenses. Check if you have Apex One as a service, Trend Micro XDR, and the XDR add-on Apex One as a service listed. Next, open the Trend Micro XDR console. On the main menu on the left, click on the gear icon and select Product Connector. This shows us all of the products connected with Trend Micro XDR. To connect Apex One as a service, click on the Connect button at the top and a Connect product window appears. Select Apex One as a service from the product name drop-down menu and click on the Save button. This adds Apex One as a service to the list of connected products. If the registration is successful, the connection status indicator shows a green dot with a connected status. With Apex One as a service connected, Trend Micro XDR can now receive threat detection data from all endpoints that have Apex One security agents installed. In the next episode, we will be configuring Apex One as a service properly so that it can send all useful threat detection related information to Trend Micro XDR. Be sure to check that out. I hope this guide has been informative for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next Trend Micro XDR guide.